In today's video we're going to talk about how ChatGPT AI can save us time in our daily lives. As we all know, time is one of our most valuable resources, and we're always looking for ways to optimize our time and make the most out of it. That's where ChatGPT AI comes in. ChatGPT AI is a cutting-edge technology that can answer your questions and provide you with helpful information in real time. Whether you need to find the nearest restaurant, learn a new recipe, or even get help with your homework, ChatGPT AI has got you covered. Let's dive deeper into how ChatGPT AI can save us time in specific areas of our lives. Research. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys learning new things, research can be time-consuming and often frustrating. With ChatGPT AI, you can quickly and easily find the information you need without having to spend hours sifting through search results. ChatGPT AI can provide you with accurate and up-to-date information on any topic, from history and science to current events and entertainment. Customer service. We've all had to deal with frustrating customer service experiences, from long wait times to unhelpful representatives. With ChatGPT AI, you can get the support you need quickly and efficiently. ChatGPT AI can answer your questions, provide troubleshooting assistance, and even help you make a purchase without having to wait on hold or deal with a human representative. Personal finance. Managing your finances can be a time-consuming and stressful task. With ChatGPT AI, you can automate certain aspects of your personal finance, such as bill payments and budgeting. ChatGPT AI can also provide you with personalized financial advice based on your spending habits and financial goals, helping you make smarter decisions and save time in the process. Entertainment. With so many options for entertainment, it can be overwhelming to find the right movie, TV show, or video game. ChatGPT AI can help you discover new content based on your preferences and past viewing habits, saving you time and making it easier to find something you'll enjoy. Travel. Planning a trip can be a time-consuming and stressful process, from finding the best deals on flights and accommodations to planning your itinerary. ChatGPT AI can help you with all aspects of travel planning, from researching destinations and finding the best deals to booking your travel arrangements and creating a personalized itinerary. In conclusion, ChatGPT AI is an incredible tool that can help us save time and optimize our daily routines. With its ability to provide quick and accurate answers to our questions, automate certain tasks, and provide personalized recommendations, ChatGPT AI can revolutionize the way we live our lives. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to be more efficient and productive, give ChatGPT AI a try and see how it can transform your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.